Hello everyone! Today I would like to give you a walkthrough from my first Flutter app. As of today, the app is available in the Apple App Store and will very soon be also available in the Google Play Store. In this video I will give you a quick walkthrough through all the different functionality of the app, so basically a user manual how you can use it. Feel free to download the app from the App Store and try it out as we go. In its core, the application allows you to manage bookmarks. Not for websites, but for real-life locations in the real world. So it uses a GPS to show you on a map where you are, and you can bookmark the location where you are right now, just like a website you're visiting right now, or you can move on the map to a different location and store that as a bookmark. You can give it a classification, like a restaurant or a train station or whatever, and you can add a description as well. Then you can also send this location, this bookmark, to your contacts, or you can invite them for a calendar event at a certain time at that location. So you can use it to transmit that location to make sure everyone knows where you are supposed to meet. This is a screen you see when you start the app for the first time. Obviously, you need to log in first. So all your locations, all your bookmarks are stored under your name and available only to yourself. The application uses an email address as an identification for your account. So you would log in with your email address and your password. Initially, you probably need to create your account first. So you click on Create an Account. And here you capture your information. So the email address will be the most important entity that identifies you as a user. So you capture that. You define a password, secret, the minimum length must be 8 characters. And you give a first name and a last name, so your name. The phone number is optional, you can use it or not, and you need to confirm that you read and agree to the end user agreement. So you need to click here and then you can sign up. After signing up, you will get an email with a link that you have to click to confirm your email address. Only then you can use your account to log in here. So for this demo, I will use a different account to log in. Now I have successfully logged in. You see this indicator states green. That means I'm logged in and I have an active connection with the backend. By clicking this button, I can refresh that connection, but in general that should not be necessary. It's just an indicator that the connection is live and valid. So you see when you don't have internet access, for example, this might interrupt, go red, and then it should automatically refresh back to green. So under locations, I see my bookmarked locations. So for example, restaurants, they are sorted by the distance from where I am right now, so from the current GPS locations. And I can open each item up and I can click on it and see the location on a map. I can also edit the data of this specific bookmarked location. So I can change the name. I can give it a description. And I can change the classification if that is not correct. And save it by pressing the Save button. I can also move it around on the map by clicking the Update Location button. I can use the send icon to send it to an open chat. So for example, a contact that I'm having or a group chat that, where I am part of. I can click the Meet button to set up an appointment in this location. And of course the Delete button to remove it. Another feature is this map icon where I see all the restaurants on a map. So I can select any location and open it up, create a meeting point at this location, and let's say I give it a name, dinner, meet you there. And then I can make a modification to the date and time. So by default it is tonight at 7 o'clock. Of course I can change that to, let's say, 7:30, and will be a bit longer till 9 o'clock, and I can save that. So now I see under my meetings this dinner at this location, and I can go ahead and invite people to this event. So here I see the contacts I have added in my application, and some of these contacts have the app installed, others do not, but for all of them I have a valid email address. So for example, this one, I can just add that person and he gets an invite in the application. He will get a notification, a push notification from the backend. Others do not have the application installed, and the app will prepare an email that I can send off to invite these people to that event. Now the next tab is a chat function, and the system automatically creates a chat room for each event here. It will be deleted 2 days after the event is over, and also I can of course chat with other contacts that I have in the application. So here we see the dinner that has just been created, and I can go in here and open a chat room, enter the chat room, and then I can write any message to this event, and other invited people of that event will be able to use this chat room as well. And then of course, in order to invite people to my events, I need to be able to add contacts to my list. And for that, I have here my list of contacts and can add more. I can access the contacts from the device. So in this simulated phone, there aren't that many, but I can change any of the data here and add them to my contacts. Or I can also create a new one from scratch, capture first name, last name, most importantly email, and add that one too. And that gives me the list of contacts that are available for me to invite to my events. So chat messages from other users, my own do not, but from other users have this little icon here at the top right corner. And if I click there, I can report them as spam for inappropriate messages. So I can capture a content, and it will file a report, and I will look into that and handle this case. I can also block other users. So in this case, I do not have anyone blocked, but if someone sends me spam or I don't want to talk to them anymore, then I'm able to block them. Or if they are blocked already, then of course I can unblock them by clicking on this check mark. If a user is blocked, he cannot send me any messages or invite me to a meeting. So that's basically the functionality the app offers in the very first release as it is available now. Feel free to download it in the Apple App Store and install it, use it, and please send me your feedback. You can send it in the app, on the website, by email, or also as a comment to this video. I hope you enjoy using this application and stay tuned for more features to come in the future.